Hi, Bruce from Safiery, and we're in front of this RAM1500 again, and we're with Tony Satoma. Tony, how are you today?
Fantastic, thanks Bruce.
Tony, show us what we've got here. We've just done a dry fit of this for him, and just have a look at this. Aha, we've got a full drawer system in. And just have a look at that for a pantry. And Tony, you said your wife is calling this the little Ram.
The little Ram, yeah. I've got a RAM1500 at home that's up for sale at the moment, and this one replaces it. And yeah, she's nicknamed this the little Ram.
I love it. Right, let's look at the induction now. No induction there. Where is it? There it is. So we've got the Safiery double induction on this, and just notice you can still pull the spices out of there, guys and girls. And then this is the chopping board on the top. You can go forward, give you enough to get in here, or it'll come back. It's food grade. You can take the whole thing away. But any little dribble or anything, that always happens with me. I've got stuff dribbling everywhere, just sits in that groove there. And now we've got the Evercool, what, 40 litre?
40 litre, yep, fridge freezer.
There it is, fridge freezer. I like this little compartment on the top there, is quite good. So you can be here, have a beverage, be cooking, chopping. It's nearly a L-shaped kitchen here, you know, Tony.
Yeah, it is. It works out really well. It's Troy's done a fantastic job with the design. He was inside my head, so he's nailed it, I reckon.
Fantastic. And there's one thing missing in here we're going to add now. We're going to add a treasure chest, as we call it. 800 amp hours of lithium, Scotty, 3000 inverter up there, and all the outlets will be at the end here that you see. So today was a dry fit to make sure this is fitting, and the next video you'll see is with the power pack. And I've got to say, Tony, how good's that?
Fantastic.
Thank you.